What's up? That's how you do that, though.
Oh,
that's how you do that, though. All right, we got. It's a tad bit farther than usual. All right. Woo, that was loud. Yeah, that's some self-defense, man.
Them bitches pop.
Woo!
Oh my god.
That was accurate too.
Those civil defense ain't no joke. Oh
that.
Goodness.
That's it. All right. Let it go. Alright. For real. Okay.
Yep, that's what you got. Yeah, you tap, and then you see how that?
Yeah.
Hit that button. Hit that. Smack that button.
What, this right here?
Oh,
I thought I had it in.
How you like it?
I love that right there.
You like it better than the AK?
Yeah. It made it get very quiet, huh?
Thing just goes forever and ever and ever, don't it?
I'll finish do this shot right here. John right here. 17. Alright. Still's pretty good. Okay guys, that's on this right here. On the back. Get down on the ground. Bullets falling all on my arm.
Exaggerated.
Huh?
They were. that one.
You fast?
Oh shit, I was hitting him.
Yeah, I'm telling you, look, it's I can't see. I was telling you what you were doing.
Okay, guys, we also got a Ruger Max-9. Have to turn around. Gonna go for that.
Straight chest. These are when you were fasted.
That's with the Janet.
You were shooting fast.
Yeah.
You slowed down. You started hitting them all in the center.
And trying that double.
Damn. Kinda. You can see there's a couple of them.
I like it. Well, I had that handle on something. Go to that right. Perfect. Go low. Pretty straight for me. I like that.
Yeah,
I like
better
that.
than I did.
I like the big ones. Okay. Let's see. It's a jumper.
You were killing the trees.
Huh?
You were killing the trees like I did.
Alright, so if we could do this.
Put this up as well for long distance shooting, so you really got to find your front dot.
Okay, yeah, I see it there.
I'm trying to hit that head.
Gave him a clean ass haircut.
Give him a little haircut.
You hit him right in the neck. Oh, you did. You can tell you're hitting it just like me.
See?
The AR is accurate as fuck.
We did very good. And a little missing hand piece there.
That shit's accurate as fuck, isn't it?
Wow, man. Plus, there must be some good shots.
Now imagine
too,
if I threw a scope on it.
Yeah. You look like that guy and a chair.
Yeah.
You can hunt.
We could hunt with it right now.
That's perfect.
That's why I wanted to send it out to see what would happen.
And it worked great. It worked better